Pan.
Happy birthday, Sipan!
Say.
Happy birthday, Sipan!
Say.
Happy birthday, Sipan!
Yeah.
Sipan.
Ella. Happy birthday, Sipan.
Happy birthday, Sipan!
Pero nga, okay. Naputol.
Happy birthday, Sipan!
Happy birthday, Sipan.
Pan Pan. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Sipan!
Ikaw, Tay.
Happy birthday, Sipan!
Sipan. Pan. Pan yung speaker na may ano, may microphone. Diyan na. Hey!
Okay, good afternoon everyone. Today is extra special because the crossover is very much fun. Now let's get the last chair on the spot. Today's tournament. The one, the only, our worldwide, Juan Rivera.
Hey! Pasadakin! Dirikit! Ay, Pan! Kuya, sali ka to. Sipan. Say to you. Zia, join ka dali. Dito. To you. Ate, dito ka, dito ka. Dito, dito. Careful sa cake. Happy birthday. Message ka kay Zipan. Go. Basa ang kamay mo? Basa yung kamay mo? Yes. Punak dito. Go doon. Dapat ka kay Zipan. Yeah.
Thank you, Zipan, for being my whole world, protecting me from any kind of anxiety, and your happiness made me also happy. You're the best brother ever, and I'll always love you. Happy birthday, my dear brother.
Wow. Thank you, ate. Wow.
Thank you, Ate. It's so sweet and full of love. And it's here a heartfelt message from his parents.
Eh, sira yan ah.
Sipan, happy first birthday. Wish ko lang na sana kumain ka ng marami at dumili ng marami at lumaki ng mag-isa. Yun lang.
And thank you for those beautiful and inspiring words. Now, it's time for the most exciting part of our birthday boy. Let's all come together as Juan blows his candle.
Asan? Asan ang kuan? Lighter?
May later dun sa ano,
Wala ko lighter.
Happy birthday, Zipan!
Ikaw ka na say happy birthday, Japan.
Happy birthday, Zipan!
Thank you.
Happy birthday.